Hi everyone, Sarah here. I am back to share with you some finishes. There are 3 diamond paintings to share with you. They were all sent to me for review by Newhomy. I will link the unboxings that I have for them. I believe it's just 1 unboxing video, maybe 2, down below. And if the links are still available, I will link them for you also. These 3 were all completed by my daughter Madison. She had finished them while she was doing university from home during those wonderful times. So one of them actually has already been framed and sent off to somebody. So I did take a quick video and I believe I still have it. So if I do, I will insert it now. And that is the Mario painting. I don't know which Mario exactly from what game, but there's like the world and Mario was floating around it. So that one turned out really good. We just framed it in a dollar store frame and she gave it to one of her friends. So that is that one. I'll just quickly insert that in here now. So I'm just filming this one by hand to add in here. This is a completed diamond painting that it was sent to me from Newhomy. You can see super sparkly, and it is Mario. Obviously this part is pixelated. Probably can't see the thumbnail anymore because it's covered with washi tape, but Mario is our main focus and he turned out awesome. So this one worked out really good, really fast. Madison did this one. It's a gift for one of her friends. And we do have leftover colors of drills for every single color, and there is also some in the baggies here that were left over too. So no issues or concerns, and again, image is great. There we go. Okay, and then the other 2 that I have for you, they're all cartoon based. The first one here is Pikachu and whatever her name is. Oh my goodness, I'm drawing a blank. I should have double checked it with her before I started filming this. Well, we'll just say this is the Pikachu one. They are both lying on the ground with their heads beside each other, and there's a couple of Pokeballs. It is a bit pixelated, but it does look pretty cool, as you can see through the camera from a distance when you're looking at it. The colors are really nice. The drills are really nice. The stickiness is good. No issues with any of the Newhomy paintings. See if you guys can see some of the sparkle there. It's hard because I have an LED overhead light, so sometimes it's hard to see the sparkle. The drills for this one are still in the container here, so I could share with you guys. Actually, let me flip it upside down. So you can see that there were still leftovers of every single color and quite a few of some of the greens and the yellows, the ones that were a lot of. They do definitely give you a large amount, so you do not have to worry about running out. So there's that one. All of these are 30 by 40s, but obviously they are a little bit smaller, so 24 by 34 on that one, but it's super cute. Evie, her name is Evie. Sad that these things come to me like that. Okay, so let's put that one up to the top there. Pikachu and Eevee. And then the next one is Groot. And I think this is like teenager Groot. It's not baby Groot. It's not adult Groot. But it turned out really cool. Again, drills were good quality. The stickiness is good. These have been sitting here on my table for quite a while because she finished them back a while ago, because it's summer now. She's working, so I want to say it's been at least 2 or 3 months, maybe more, and they've just been sitting here stacked on my table. So see if you can see the shine. Super cute. I would say the detail is really good. And here are the drills. There were leftovers. I believe there were leftovers in every color. There may just not be, because she was reusing the labels, so some of them might not have been colors. Let me see, 4, 8, 12, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 20. Yeah, so there's 20 colors and there's 20 colors left in here. So there is extra drills of every single color. Super awesome. Again, 30 by 40, but with the border, this one is 24 by 34. But it turned out really good. All right, so those are the 3 that were sent to me by Newhomy and completed by Madison. Check those ones off, and I will be dekitting them so that we can start up on some other ones. All right, I hope you enjoyed. Leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks, bye.